I found that the best way to start photons would be to turn a certain amount of spatial fluid into pure energy, and use that pure energy to form a spherical vacuum that you see in the screen right now. Then the surrounding fluid, spatial fluid, will flow into this vacuum, and as more fluid comes in, it gets compressed more and more until it gets down to a minimum sphere, and then it expands. And as it expands, it morphs into 4 different photons. 2 pairs of photons are formed, each go in opposite directions to each other. Now, if you look carefully at one pair of photons, you will notice that they both spin in the same direction, even though they were given an opposite twist to start with. Therefore, to satisfy the laws of physics, a second pair of photons are needed, which gives 2 more photons that spin in the same direction, but in a different direction than the first 2. Now, as each photon proceeds along its path, and it spins one way or the other, and always travels at the local speed of light. It pulses in and out at a very, very high frequency. Now, the pulsing is important because the higher the frequency, the higher the energy of that photon. So photons can range in energy from very, very little radio waves up to the energy of gamma photons, which pulse at a rate of thousands of trillions of cycles per second. The conclusion is that photons must form in groups of 4 rather than groups of 2 that people normally consider. And by forming in groups of 4, all of the laws of physics are satisfied. Whereas if only 2 were formed, only part of the laws of physics would be satisfied.